I'm not even prepared, bro. I'm already sleepy. So basically, guys, I told my parents that I'm gonna be doing YouTube full time. Full time as in a full time career. And their dreams were something else. But I'm sorry. I came in and I pressed delete. Ashte. Because, bro, I've been wanting to do YouTube since, I don't know, bro, the last 10 years at least. From the time I was 13, I guess.
Yeah.
And I've been trying since the last 10 years. And I know I'm not a popular face yet, but YouTube's all about being consistent, building, not fucking climbing the ladder, or not reporting to a boss, or I don't know, bro, not getting fired or something, because you're the boss here and you can't fire yourself because you're basically documenting your whole life. And I feel that's the best part. Would you rather want to wake up like, fuck, bro, I need to go, I'm already late, I guess my boss is gonna fire me, I'm not yet completed this whatever assignment or this job? Or would you want to get up saying, hey, what's the fucking next vlog, bro? See, if you're like, go to college, get a job, and then think life is the best, clap. Hey, you're also a creator, shut the fuck up. Yeah, so, but then, if you're the guy who wants to do badass vlogs, and if you're the guy who wants to, I don't know, bro, build a cult of your own, and, you know, encourage people to do YouTube, to do that creative side, I don't know, to go play football, to go play cricket, or I don't know, bro, paint that wall, or sing, or fight, or do whatever, then you're on my side. Basically, what I'm saying is, I'm not forcing anybody to do YouTube, but then if you do YouTube, or if you want to get into this path of being a creative person and, you know, putting out stuff, uploading, being consistent, because this shit doesn't come easy, bro, because you need to be damn dedicated to this. See, it's like 12:20 what, midnight, and we're still grinding. He's almost sleepy because he just drove for like 4-5 hours straight and he just came to Bangalore, but still he's sitting here to give me that support like he always does. And this is literally the thing, guys. You know, if you have the guts and if you think you can ace it by creating, you know, a channel and start posting stuff, start being active on all your socials, putting out content regardless of what content it is, that will encourage your friend sitting next to you to do something creative as well. Like, he would also get the motivation to, you know, come up with something, post regularly, and, you know, form a cult. So that is the whole point of being creative. YouTube is the best platform ever, and people have made fortunes out of it. See, when it comes to money, yes, there is no doubt that YouTube doesn't pay you like, you know, very little, or it's like a fixed income, or you get only certain money and stuff. No, bro, it's like bigger the dream, bigger the money. The payment involves numbers saying views, your likes, your watch time, and all that stuff. So that is way better than you sitting in a 9 to 5 and, you know, reporting something or trying to solve some shit, or coming up with some idea where you're literally least bothered, you're not interested. This is way better than that. This excites you. You post something and that blows up. The excitement and the motivation it's gonna give you is fucking big. Like, look at us, bro. Like, look at me. I've been trying to crack YouTube ever since I was 13 years old, and I'm 23 years old today, and I'm still trying. And I trust me when I say this, I am the only fucking person in my entire friends gang who's getting up and be like, let's go, bro, let's fucking go vlog or something. Like, I need some water. Like, avaginda straight matadini, no, and bye dry agalva. People who actually wanna, you know, become doctors or engineers or scientists and all that, Guys, you do your stuff. I'm not intruding. But for the guys who are stuck in between and who are invincible like me, please come on to this platform. Please upload. Express yourself, bro. This is like literally the best time to be alive, or the best time to keep uploading, or the best time to come up with stories. Think about it, bro. In like few given years, you'll be old. You'll almost be in like, I guess, your late 30s or early 40s. Then you're still early for YouTube, but you want to have the same, I don't know, bro, energy levels, the drive to do something, or I don't know, jump from one building, or run like your life depends on it. You can't do all that shit when you're that old. You can, but it comes with a lot of risk. So why not take the shot right now? Why not take the chance, and why not give it a try? And it was damn tough to convince them, but they have to agree, bro. I'm not gonna quit on you guys. I'm forming a cult. I don't know, guys. Please help me name the cult. It could be using my name as well, John Diart. It could be Diarters. What's happening, Diarters? No, bro, I don't know. So it could be Diarters or the Diart Gang.
D gang.
Not the D Gang. The Diarters. The Diart Gang. The John Diart Gang. Or whatever, bro. I will try to come up with the gang name. Gang. I know you were about to say gang bang. No. Yeah. I had written an entire essay on why you need to choose YouTube. But all that shit doesn't work, bro, here. Here, you know what works? A camera recording you. And you just bluffing. People will love it. Trust me. There's some dude who totally likes my content. I swear till today, I don't know whether my content's good. I'm trying. There's this amazing line. It's like... Everything I've learned in the past year didn't come from a professor. It came from me trying. From uploading, from failing publicly, and coming back stronger. YouTube is the only classroom that pays me to show up. You think I'm playing? I'm documenting my growth. And that's more valuable than any fucking GPA, bro. Beat it, punk. Nakkan. Bro, like whenever I post something, no, whether it's on YouTube or on Instagram, like I am fortunate enough that people love it. I'm fortunate enough that I have close to 32,000 followers on Instagram and around close to 6,000 subscribers on YouTube. I get a lot of DMs, and most of the people say that they love my content. Like literally, we met a guy outside while buying water who told, I love your content. Super content, bro. Keep going. Don't stop. That is what you get, bro. Like, he's a total stranger. I'm seeing his face for the first time. And if that dude could relate and connect and asking me to post more and not stop, that is the best feeling ever, bro. That is satisfying. That is like eating a Royal Andhra meals and burping it out. Am I right?
Yeah.
So, this is literally not an easy job. In 9 to 5 you have your whole gang and stuff, but in YouTube you don't. You build the gang. And on this journey of being creative, I am that friendly person, okay? I am that dude who can't stay without his friends. Like, I need people around, like more than 1-2 people. A lot of people. At the start of all this creativeness, when we started a YouTube channel, initially, like 5 to 6 years ago, bro, there were literally 14 to 15 members. And those were all my friends. And seeing that, another 10-15 people came, okay, roughly around 25-30 people. All are my close friends, all are my childhood friends, all are the friends that I grew up with. And today you can see only one sitting here. So as I told you guys, it is not easy. You're gonna lose a lot of friends. The commitment is a big thing, okay? It's a big thing. You need to commit yourself. You need to make sure you're regularly posting, you're coming up with ideas, you're brainstorming. And of course, your friends will bottom down to 1 or 2. That's all. It'll come down to 1 or 2 because those are the real ones, bro. Those are the people who trust that, bro, this guy is gonna become something big. This guy will become damn famous. This guy is gonna be the shit one day. And if they are thinking and if they are supporting, you think I'm going to leave them? No chance. Because imagine 30-40 people and it comes down to one. You'll miss birthdays, you'll miss family programs, you'll miss some special dates that you have to go on. And maybe at the time that you're dating somebody, if she's not fully into you, that comes with, of course, commitment, trust, and the main thing is, if she is ready to go through your journey with you. YouTube doesn't pay you, internet doesn't give you money and all. You should actually work, bro. Life is very serious. You should get a job. You should do that 9 to 5. You'll get discipline in your life. Fuck that shit, bro. I'll do what I want. Okay, I am posting videos, people are watching, people love my shit, okay, and I want to keep doing this. I want to keep documenting my life. Even if I'm 40, I still fucking record vlogs like I'm 20, bro. Like, that is what I live for, bro. And being creative is the best thing ever in life, bro. Bro, just now I spoke so much about you and you're fucking yawning and like, go. Fuck all of those people. Do what you love. If you are still in the corner of your head thinking that you wanna come, if you wanna come. If you're still thinking that you want to leave that job and you want to do something creative and step into YouTube, influencing, storytelling, doing creative shit, please start now, bro. To everyone who's thinking I'm wasting my life posting a bunch of shit on the internet and I don't know, bro, trying to be the shit, yeah, revisit me in another 5 years. I'll send you guys the link. You can watch the whole video. Nah, come on. Bro, I don't know, bro. I had the whole Josh to fucking say it, bro. See, it's better to own your voice.
Yes.
Rather than trading it to some motherfucker's dream.
Yes.
ನಿನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸು ನೀನೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೆಟರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀಯಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ? That's it, guys. I told my parents that I'm going to be doing YouTube full time. Fortunately, they are damn supportive because numbers don't lie, my brother. You can catch me every other day because you guys know it. YouTube is my career, YouTube is my life, and YouTube's gonna be the rest of my life. So I ate 4 rounds of the same dinner in my house because my mom makes the special type of chicken saru on Sunday, bro. And you eat that once, no, you would wanna finish that whole patre. Sakkadagitu darshan. Naak sali tinde. First, like, I ate 2 idlis with the same chicken saru. Then I ate red rice, same chicken sauce. Then I ate another idli because I got tempted, bro. And only one was left, no. Then with the same chicken sauce. And then finally, she also had made rasam. Who would miss rasam, bro? So I put rasam, I put chicken sauce, then I put chicken. I mixed everything like on ice cream. And I fucking drank it, bro, honestly. ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಕುಡ್ದೆ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದರ್ಶನ್ ನಕ್ಕನು. He's crying, guys. He's crying. He's emotional. Yeah, that is how it was. That was off topic shit, but welcome back to another new vlog. And thank you for watching. The guy or the girl or whosoever, a granny, grandpa, or uncle, auntie, whosoever is watching this final minute, this kiss is for you, bro. Have fun, guys. And for the people who are still working, no, have fun, bro. I'll see you on stage. You'll be buying the ticket to my show, or you'll be buying the ticket to my movie, and you'll be clapping over there. But all the creative dudes who choose YouTube, bro, I love you, bro. I'll come and support you. I'll sub you. I'll meet you. I'll buy you ice cream and all. With that being said, welcome to John Diart. Or maybe it'd be known as the Diarters. To the new people who just subbed watching this vlog, thank you, guys. Please keep supporting. I'll be back with another one. Until then, peace out, guys.
Peace out.
Peace out, man. No, I should change that also, bro.
Alvida bench.
I'll be back with another one. Dude, that was so dramatic.
Yeah.
Fuck, be back with another one. Hey, just subscribe, okay? Another video will drop. See you in another one.
Yes.
What is this too? I'll catch you in another one. Peace. Okay, guys. Final goodbye. See you in another one.
I'm making you another